This is what happens when you have a massive coolant leak in your truck. See, all over, even all the way to the back. You see all the marks of the coolant because it was leaking from the radiator. This is a massive mess. This engine has to be cleaned after this is completed. Yeah, look at this. The radiator needs to be replaced. It broke from the top, and that's the reason why all this happened. Luckily, the truck made it all the way, and that was good. See, all these pieces are, seems like this truck was overheating for a bit because it was running with no water. It looked like it overheated. See, all this melted. That is the hardest part of the EGR cooler. Hopefully this engine is alright. Well, it's time to find out. Time to replace the radiator.